Certain females go there.
They grow up. They feel the stirrings of the flesh and fall into the arms of sin. Sin that God easily forgives, yes. But what of tomorrow? What sordid acts will they commit? What sins will they enact when they no longer come to confession? Then they will really be dead. Dead forever. For all eternity. They are my brothers, and I love them. Children, I exalt you. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.